Welcome back to class, friends. Hope everyone are fine, safe, and utilizing your time for academics. So once again, I want to remind you about SMS. We already know, and I hope everyone are following. What is SMS? S is for social distance, M is for mask, and S is for soap. So what we are going to do? We are going to maintain some physical distance. We are going to wear a mask and use soap to clean our hands. And please eat a healthy diet food. Okay. So before starting, I request everyone to please open your classwork, term book and pencil. Open page number 137 in your term book. So in the last previous video, we have done our exercise 3.3. We have done what are addition, what is subtraction in real life. We have done example and one problem and have given your homework. I hope everyone has done your homework and it is very clear. So today we are going to continue our exercise 3.3. So we will start with our third problem. So before, I request everyone to please write down the third question in your classwork and open your term book page number 137. Yes, I hope everyone are ready. Let's start. See what is the third question. Third one is Samika has spent 2,59,200 seconds on her project. If she was given 3,60,000 seconds to prepare it, how much more time does she have? So here they are saying to complete a project, Samika has been allotted 3,60,000 seconds. To complete one project, she has been allotted 3,60 seconds. Out of 3,60 seconds, she has used 2,59,200 seconds to prepare a project. She was allotted 3,60,000 seconds, but she has used 2,59,200 seconds. So how many more seconds leftover seconds are there? Remaining seconds are there. So that we are going to find. How much more time does she have? How much more she has? How much more? So if you see, we have here in page number 136, we said that we need to do subtraction when we encounter the words like subtract, difference, left, remaining balance, how much many more? How many more seconds she has? So what we are going to do, as the word here is more, how many more seconds does she has? So we are going to do subtraction. What we are going to do? We are going to do the subtraction. We are going to perform the operation that is subtraction. So what you will subtract? You will subtract this 2,59,200 seconds from 3,60,000 seconds. I hope it is very clear. Samika has been allotted 3,60,000 seconds to prepare a project. Out of this, she has used only 2,59,200 seconds to prepare a project. How many more seconds are there that are leftover seconds we are going to find? To find that, we will perform the operation that is subtraction. So I hope you have written the question. Let us start. Third one. So number of seconds Samika has or she spent. Number of seconds Samika spent. How many seconds she has spent? She has spent 2,59,200 seconds. Number of seconds Samika spent is 2,59,200. But how many she has been allotted? If she was given 3,60,000 seconds to prepare it. So number of seconds she had. Number of seconds she has. How many she has? She has 3,60,000 seconds. She has been allotted 3,60,000 seconds, out of which she has used only 2,59,200 seconds to prepare a project. Now we are going to find how many more seconds are there. Now to find out how many more seconds are left over, we said we will perform the operation that is subtraction. We will subtract this 2 lakh out of 3 lakh. Now this 3,60,000 is our minding event, 2,59,200 is our subtrahend. Then if we do the subtraction, we will get the difference. So let us do it as the both place values are till lakhs. So it is easy, very easy for us. 3,60,000 minus 2,59,200. 0 minus 0, 0, 0, right? We cannot subtract 2 from 0, so we will borrow. If you see the next number is also 0, we will move to the next. Now this becomes 5, 10, again as you are carrying, this becomes 9, this becomes 10. As you are not taking carry to the next number, this is 10. So 10 minus 2, very good, 8. 9 minus 9, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. 3 minus 2 is 1. So if you put comma, that is 1,800,000 seconds are left. How many seconds are left over? 1,800,000 seconds. So here see Samita has spent 2,59,200 seconds. Out of 3,60,000 seconds, number of seconds left are 1,800,000 seconds. So how much more time does she have? Number of seconds left. Number of seconds left is 1,800,000 seconds. Okay. So number of seconds Samita spent, number of seconds she has, that is 3,60,000. If we have done some difference, we got the answer as 1,800,000. So this many seconds are left over out of 3,60,000 seconds. Now let us move to the next one. So I hope you have written. Let us move to the next fourth one. Okay. See what is the fourth one? A dam pumped 1,42,39,053 gallons of water in May. It pumped 18,46,190 gallons in June. How much water is pumped in all these 2 months? In all. In all means we will do addition. So firstly, gallons of water pumped in the month of May, gallons of water pumped in the month of June. Those two values we are going to add up. That much gallons of water has been pumped in these 2 months. So firstly let us write fourth one. I hope you have written your question. So first one is gallons of water pumped in May. How much water has been pumped in the month of May? That is 1,42,39,053 gallons of water has been pumped in May. See again, gallons of water pumped in June. How much it has been pumped? That is 80,46,190. 80,46,190 gallons of water pumped in the month of May. Now what we are going to find? We have to find how much water is pumped in all these 2 months. To find how much water has been pumped in all these 2 months, we are going to add these 2 values. That much amount of water has been pumped in these 2 months. So if you see, this is 1 crore, this is 80 lakh. Okay, if you want, you can write our place values. Let us write it: ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crores, 1 lakh. Yes, crores. So first one is 1 crore 42 lakh 39,053. Next 80. 1, cents, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So each should go under 10 lakhs place. 80 lakh 46,190. These 2 numbers, these 2 values we are going to add. 3 plus 0. Any number, to any number if you add 0, you will get the same number, 3. 9 plus 5, 14. So 1 will be carried here, 4. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 0 is 2. 9 plus 6 is 15. Very good. 9 plus 6 is 15. 1 will be carried, 5 will be down. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 2 plus 0 is 2. 8 plus 4, 12. So 1 will be carried, 2 will write down. Again 1 plus 1 is 2. Now if you place commas according to this, that is 2 crores 22 lakh 85,243. So this much water has been pumped in all these 2 months. So see what that is the question. How much water is pumped in all these 2 months? So 2 crores 22 lakh 85,243. 2 lakhs water. How much water is pumped in this 2? Is pumped in these 2 months. In these 2 months. Yes. So gallons of water pumped in the month of May, gallons of water pumped in the month of June. To find total, we have done the addition. So answer is 2 crores 22 lakh 85,243. This much amount of water has been pumped in this 2 months, that is in the month of May and June. I hope it is very clear. Yes. Now this 5th one you are only going to try. I'll just give you a hint. Please look in your term book, page number 137. ABC Airlines requires a pilot to have 4 lakh hours of flying experience before promotion. If Vinayak has completed 3,46,928 hours, how many more hour experience does he need to qualify for promotion? This question is same as the 3rd one. Fifth one is same as 3rd one. See what they are saying. So ABC Airlines required a pilot need to, before to get promotion, he need to complete 4 lakh hours of flying experience. To get a promotion, he need to have a 4 lakh hours of experience. But whereas here they have given about Vinayak. If Vinayak has completed 3,46,928 hours, how many more hours does he need to qualify for promotion? So, but he has already completed 3,46,928 hours has been completed by Vinayak. To qualify for promotion, how many more hours he need? So, how to find? We will subtract this 3,46,928 from 4 lakh. So whatever answer result you will get, that many more hours you need to have experience to qualify for the promotion. Firstly, you will write number of hours required to get a promotion. Vinayak has already completed 3,46,928 hours of experience, but he need, whatever the answer you get, that many hours of experience he need to qualify for the promotion. Right? I hope it is very clear. Let us see the 6th one. 5th and 6th we are going to do. So 6th one is A, B and C contested for an election. The total number of votes was 75,95,394. Find the votes polled for candidate C if A and B got votes respectively who won the election. So here there are 3 candidates A, B and C who has been contested for an election. So firstly they have given total number of votes they have got, that is 75,95,394. This is the total number of votes got by candidate A, B and C. But here they have given number of votes got by A. How many votes A candidate got? How many votes B candidate got? But we need to find how many votes candidate C got. So what we will do firstly, find the votes polled for candidate C. To find how many votes got for candidate C, firstly we will add these 2 values, number of votes got for A and B. that result answer you will subtract from the total number of votes. See, this is same as example number 6 where they have given earnings in January, February, April, March. Again they have found May and June, right? Firstly they have added January to April. That value they have subtracted from the total number of what you say this amount, that is for 6 months. Then we got the result. Now here the same one. This is the example number 6, page number 136. Last 6th one is same as example number 6. So ABC contested for an election. Total number of votes they got is 75,95,394. Contestant A got some amount of votes and contestant B also they have given how many votes he got. But they are asking us find what is how many votes did the contestant C got. To find this, firstly we will add how many votes got by candidate A and B. We will add up these two values. We will add A and B. Number of votes. Don't write A plus B. Number of votes candidate A got and number of votes candidate B got. These two values we will get. We will add up. We will get the result. That result we are going to subtract from total number of votes. That result we are going to subtract from total number of votes. Whatever the result we will get, that many votes got for candidate C. You will subtract this sum of this A and B from total. The result what you get, that is the number of votes got for candidate C. Hope it is very clear. ABC are contested for the election. This is the total number of votes. Firstly we will add up number of votes of A and B. We will get the result. That result we will subtract from 75 lakh. The result which we got, that many votes has been got for candidate C. That many votes has been polled for candidate C. So I hope it is very clear. 5th one and 6th one. Yes. What you are going to do? Vinayak has already completed 3,46,928 seconds. He need to how many more hours we need to qualify for promotion? To get the answer, we will subtract this 3 lakh from 4 lakh. We will subtract 3 lakh from 4 lakh. The result which we got, that is the answer. That is that many hours we need more to qualify for promotion. Whereas this election ABC we got, they gave total number of votes. We are firstly we will add up A and B. The result which we got, that we will subtract from total number of votes. That result which we get after subtraction, after difference, that answer is the number of votes candidate C got. I hope it is very clear and we will definitely try this 5th and 6th one. We will move with the last 7th one. So before starting, please write down your 7th question in your classwork. Yes, let us start. Universal Public School has 2 libraries. Universal Public School has 2 libraries. A school is here, a universal school. It is having 2 libraries. Number of books in the junior library is 48,473 and number of books in the senior library is 73,602. What is the total number of books in both the libraries and how many more books does the senior library has than the junior? So here universal school is having 2 libraries, junior library and a senior library. So here junior library has 48,473 books, whereas the senior library has 73,602 books. They are asking which library is having more number of books. Then 373 is greater than 48,000. So senior library is having more number of books than junior library. But how many books are more in junior library than junior? How many more books are there in senior library than junior? To find that, we will subtract from 73,602, that is 48,473. Okay, so let us first write the given question. What they have given? So number of books in the junior library, how many books are there in the junior library? Number of, this is 7. Number of books in the junior library. Number of books in junior library. many books are there? That is 48,473. 48,473. Next, number of books in senior library. Number of books in senior library. How many books we have? We have 73,602. So we have written what they have given: number of books in senior library, number of books in junior library. What is the total number of books in both the libraries? Firstly, we need to find total number of books in both the libraries. To find total, we will add these two values. So we can write down here itself. 73, 73. To find total, we will add these two values. So 3 plus 2 is 5, 7 plus 0 is 7, 6 plus 4, 10. So 1 will be carried, 0 will write down. 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 1, 2. 7 plus 4 is 11, 11 plus 1 is 12. Now if you put place commas, that is 1,22,075 books are there. So total number of books in both the libraries. Total number of books in both the library. Both the library is 1,22,075. So firstly we have done our first question. What is the total number of books in both the libraries? So total number of books in both the libraries is 1,22,075. In that, how many more books does the senior library has than the junior? How many more number of books are there in senior library than junior library? So what we are going to do? We are going to apply the operation, that is subtraction. We will subtract 48,000 from 73,000. Let us do it. So firstly we will write 73,602 minus 48,473. Now we cannot subtract 3 from 2. So if you take borrow from 6, this becomes 5, 10. Again as we are taking borrow, 9, 12. Now 12 minus 3, 9. 9 minus 7, 2. 5 minus 4, 1. Again we cannot subtract 8 from 3. So if you take borrow, this is 6, 13. 13 from 8 is 5. Yes, 6 minus 4 is 2. So 25,129 more books are there in senior library than junior library. So last statement is 25,129 more books are there in senior library. Than junior library. Right? First we have written number of books in junior library, number of books in senior library. We have found total number of books in both the libraries. Then we need to find how many more books are there in senior library comparatively to the junior. To find that, we have done subtraction. We have done 48,000 minus 48,000 from 73,000. We got the answer as 25,129. This many books are more in senior library than junior library. So with this we have done our exercise 3.3. Hope it is very clear and you will do your homeworks. So you have two problems here, that is 5th and 6th one. So your homework is 5th and 6th question. 5th one and 6th one. So I hope it is very clear how to do and how to solve. And so we will meet in our next class. Thank you.